Welcome back viewers. In the last video we have seen the installation of full KDE desktop using the terminal. In this video we will try to uninstall the Deeepin desktop using the terminal. So let us start. So meanwhile the virtual machine is starting, let us check out the uninstallation. Okay. So this is the command sudo pacman space dash capital RS. So we copy this. Yes. So what we will do is we will log out of the KDE desktop or sorry, Gnome desktop, because there are interdependencies between Gnome and Deepin. So we will go with the Plasma desktop. Plasma doesn't have that much interdependencies with Deepin desktop. So Plasma will be better choice for the host OS or the host session from where you can uninstall Deepin and Gnome both. So let us try to search whether the console is there. Console is the KDE. What happened? Yes. Console is the KDE terminal. So let us try to find the console. So get console. So console is not installed. Let us install the console first. So it is not found in the repos. So what we can do is, let us use terminal. So terminal, that is Gnome terminal we will use. So let us search for the terminal. Yes, so Gnome terminal is there. So you can check it out here. It is Gnome terminal. So here you have to paste the command, or you can directly type also. Pasting is not possible. Maybe some issue is there. Sudo pacman dash capital RS. Now you have to go back to the command here, and you have to check for yes. So we had installed this Deepin and Deepin Extra, two package bundles we had installed. So we will have to use this package bundles for uninstallation also. So copy that, go back again to your terminal. So pasting is not possible, so we will type it Deepin and Deepin Extra, input the sudo password, and then it will go ahead. Okay, let us check out if conflicts are there. So there are some warnings are there. So we can go ahead, just the warnings are there, and there are some interdependencies for alsa utils, boost libs, file roller, and those kind of things. QO extras, grub also there is some interdependencies. So anyway, the system is letting us go ahead. There is no unresolvable conflicts. So we will just go ahead and confirm the uninstallation. Uninstallation is normally very fast. Okay, so the uninstallation is complete. Now we will close the terminal, and what we will do is we will reboot and then check out whether the session has been removed from the login screen or the greeter. Let us check out the sessions available. Yes, so the Deepin sessions have been removed, only the Gnome sessions, and Plasma has only one session here. So there is no Plasma on Wayland, only Plasma on Xorg is there. And Gnome is available both as a classic session on Wayland, on Xorg. So now what we have to do is we will stop the video here. In the next video, we will try to remove the Gnome desktop also. So see you in the next video.